Hello everyone, welcome again to this short video series titled Creating a Paradise App. This is volume 11. In this video, the presenters have provided additional examples of how environmental factors intersect with genetics that gives abilities and challenges to help a person make their choices. One additional example is choice of a gift to a person. In the USA and many other parts of the world, this is a season of giving. So you ask yourself, how does a person make a choice of the present to gift? Now, the environmental factors that come into play is the characteristics of the person who is being gifted, what they like, uh, and also their size, their age, and so forth. Another environmental factor is what is present in the environment that can be gifted. That's what is available in the stores and so that, or maybe what you can make. Another environmental factor is the resources available, like what they gift or what you have for money. And then the genetic part or the genetic factors that come into play is the intellect, the ability of the person gifting to combine all the characteristics of that person, understanding them, and now also combining the resources they have to make the choice. Like, do not have the enough cash or money for the gift. How far is the gift? Will it go on time? And is the gift going to be beneficial to the person? So all that calculation is more of genetics. Another second example is the complex business choice. For example, choosing the price or pricing, whether to expand or what kind of product to offer. In a business setting, the department or the people involved in setting the prices, they will use the following examples of the environmental factors. One is, assuming this is a new business, they'll first find out have they have they achieved break even, meaning have they met all their costs of producing that product or providing that product. So they, in most cases, the business want to make profit, so they have to make sure that the price is above break even point. That is, it's the revenues and the cost. The revenues have are higher than the cost. The second part, it may find out whether they are competitors and what competitors are offering. They may also look at the demand. They may not set, they may have studied the environment. So the environmental factors are also what they have already studied in the environment. They may have done a research. They may have gone through schools and understood some of the factors that come in play in pricing. And the same thing with expanding. They will also do a research on whether to expand, whether they are, like if you're opening a new store, you may find out what are the environmental impact or to the community, is the product, what are the demographic, all those are environmental. And also what product to offer, you may find out what product is selling fast, what is the demand, whether it's cheaper to produce, whether it's harder to produce. All those are environmental factors. And they are influenced a lot also by genetics. So the genetic part of it is the intellect of the people doing the calculation to understand, or do they have the ability to understand all these things and put them together to come up with a better pricing, to make a decision whether to do expanding. And as you said, how the environmental factors affect also the genetic factors. Somebody may be trained, so the training helps them in using their brains to make those complex choices. Another thing is what experiences they have seen. For example, in a monopoly business, there may be no competition and there may be high demand. And the department making the price or whoever making the prices may make a decision or the choice to put a very high price because there's demand. One person may decide to put a high price. Another person may say they care about the people, the customers, so they don't want to set a price that is too burdening. And other people say we don't care. There is high demand. We set the price we want, the profit we want. So all these are combination of environmental and genetics. So somebody who have seen people suffering and is compassionate may say no, we'll set a price that is reasonable. Another person may not be that compassionate depending on their environment. They have never seen maybe poverty or such things, and they will set a price that is so high that is overburdening the customer or the population. Again, thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe, share, and do good to your fellow human being. Until next time, good day or good night, depending on the part of the other to live in.